At 8, Lake Ozark coming in at 9. Griffey wants to play, and okay, go get it. And I will say, oh, that much, you just can't do it. Okay, hi, bud. All right, we are seeing some light winds, and if you're heading out the door, it's cold. For Leonardwood coming in at 0, 1, right now is what it feels like in Springfield, 9 in Lake.
Oh, happy birthday.
I don't know what he's doing.
Chloe. Chloe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, he's gonna fall in. He's gonna fall in.
He's gonna fall. Oh my god!
Did you poop on my floor? Did you do this? Why are you trying to hide under him? Huh?
Huh?
Never fail. Oh my god.
Good job. Good job.
La comida de Pito. Con la comida de Pito. Con la comida de Pito. La comida de Pito. La comida de Pito.
Oh, there she goes. Okay, I see her, Toshi. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Oh, it's your sister. You cannot eat them. Oh, okay, I'm not getting near him. He's literally so mad. This is what hot Cheetos do to people.
Who's winning? Theo 1 or Theo 2? Ooh, I think you're winning, Theo.
He's a 10, but his brain is made of shrimp.
What are you doing in the bed? Who said you could go in the bed? Who said?
Go.
Go get it.
Go.
Go get it.
Go, Cooper.
Oh, Guster, you're such a good helper. Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?
Here's a birthday cookie. Yes. And Maple, you get it too. Maple!
Allez, pécho, va, t'es un copain, moi, fin, je vais tuer.
Oh, shit. Maple! No.
Leave him alone. He's sleeping.
That's ice, Romy. I'm gonna get in there.
No, me mate. ¡Dale, Canti! Ah, yo no puedo creer. Miren lo que son esos culos, por el amor de Dios.
What is that? Is that yours? Excuse me? Excuse me? Excuse me?
Come on, get up. Yes. Get up.
Is that leak? You put yourself here. I did not do this.
Lo movió. Tiene fuerza.
Vieja copuchenta.
¿Cómo ves?
Look at that though.
Mom, he's gonna eat all the Cheetos!
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free but always has an attitude.
Oh, geez, what's the matter? Oh, my God, it's terrible.
Who let the dogs out?
Wait a minute. What do you have? Give me that sock. You give me that sock. Give me that sock. Give me that sock. Give me that sock. Give me that. Come here. Give me that sock. Give me that sock.
What sound does a doggy make? You're right.
做了说。再说。
I wonder who got in the trash.
Come on, honey. Woo! Yeah! Woo!
Is this normal? Jerry. Good girl.
Go on then, you can do it. Come on, Scamp, you can do it. Look, you can do it. You did it a minute ago. Use your paw. Yeah, clever boy.
What happened? What happened to you? Huh? What happened? Wait a minute.
Gus. What are you doing, buddy?
Carrot? Take. That's not what you're supposed to do. Monty, no.
Deployed, you'll need to release for descent fast. Good luck.
You can do this. See? Yeah. Exit. Come on, time is not our friend.
Come on. Easy, dude. Easy.
Alright, why do we need it? You sure? No? Okay.
Hi, Puggy. You're so a puggy.
Look what I can do.
Here, hold on. Let me go on the other side and grab him.
It's okay. Are you so excited?
Hello.
What?
Look at it.
Going from side to side.
What?
What's going to side to
The
side?
dog!
What are you doing, Milo?
What is going on? People!
Ow! Are ya?
Okay, you got your end. I got my end.
Wait. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
That's crazy. I think so.
Are you comfortable, Maple?
If you're hungry, I brought home some mutton and coconut milk.
Get a treat. Let's get a treat.
You want a treat? You want a treat? Yeah?